Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is JavaScript top 40 one-liners that every developer must know and must start using it in your projects from right now. In today's episode, I'm going to give you a one-liner to generate a random string. So the input will be a number, like we'll say 8 characters or 10 characters, and the string will be that long. And we are going to make it really dynamic and try to make it complex in order to get a most unique random string. At the same time, it's more powerful and the chances of repetition will be very less. Okay, keeping that in mind, let's get started with coding. This is part 14 of the series. If you have missed out on the amazing killer first 13 one-liners, make sure that you go through the playlist in order to get all the details. This is part what, 13, 14? I think 14, right? Yeah. All right, part 14. I'm losing track. We are doing so many things, but yeah, it's interesting. All right, we got the head tag and we got the body tag, and we will have a script tag. Okay, so we are going to write a method which will generate us a powerful random string, and which should be like kind of a unique, right? And it should not be repeated. So we'll try and attempt that. So let's say generate random string. Okay, now what we'll do, it will just take one param, which is basically the number of length. That means how much characters we want the um, our random string to be. Okay, and what we will do is from that list we'll do a array dot length. We used it in earlier, or let's say array from. Okay, let's use array from. We have used that earlier also, and we'll pass the length. And what we'll do, we'll define a callback map function, and what this will do is we'll just say string dot, we'll use something called from char code. Okay, now what this does is it will take from the set of characters, right? Like in the entire character set code. And we will also do generate using math.floor. We will generate a random number between that length. Okay, why? Because we want it of that particular length. Now this will be 26. Okay, the reason being that 26 characters plus 97, I'm just giving a number. And once you have it, then all you need to do them is join them. It would bring up an array and we'll join them. uh, let's do one thing, let's join it, and let's test this one. I hope it should work. Let's review it once. So we are generating an array from the length, and we are writing a map function. What it would do is it would take the string dot from char code, it would take the mat dot flow random number out of 26, and then floor it plus 97 and then join them. Perfect. So I think hopefully this should give us a good decent random string to work with. Okay, and to test it, log generate random string, and let's say five characters first, and open it in a finder, and let's check how it looks. I hope, yep. So you see it is giving an absolute random number. Now let's hike it up. Let's say I want a 16 character thing. So now see, it's coming up with a random string of 16 things. Okay, keep refreshing, you will keep getting a mostly unique, it will not be repeated as much. um, Again, chances are there that it may come up in some time, but again, don't use it as a unique value somewhere. But this is just for random string assignment, temporary, or say unique username, or some transaction ID that you want to generate. So again, there are many use cases of this, but again, to make sure that you are using a unique one, try and use a UUID thing, but this can also be used as a alternative to generate a string. The idea here is to generate a random string from a given length, and for that we are just generating an array first of the characters from char code, and we are doing a randomly out of 26, and we are just joining that array, so then it would become a perfect random string. Right? I hope you like this code snippet one liner. Again, nothing much complicated. If you're enjoying this series, hit that like button for me. Don't forget to subscribe, share these videos with your friends and colleagues. Thank you so much for giving so much love and support to me. Let's continue our learning journey in the next episode. Thank you.